नए बेहतरीन वीडियो पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल हैप्पी लर्निंग को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बाजू की बेल आइकन को दबाइए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Happy Learning Tech. Hope you're doing well. Today we are gonna talk about the certificates we'll get for our courses like data science, blockchain, Python, machine learning, neural network. So many people ask me how to get free certificates. So I'm gonna tell you how to get free certificate and professional IBM free certificate. So there are different websites like EDX, Coursera. I'll tell you another website which is cognitiveclasses.ai where you can get free certificates for many courses like as I told you data science, Python, etc. and etc. So how to log in and how to get, I'm gonna tell you the process. So hope you are seeing my screen. So I opened my Chrome, it's connecting. Please bear me 2 minutes. It's opening. So my internet speed is quite slow, so please allow me 2 minutes. I'm okay, so it's opening right now. So go to google.com, search for cognitive COGNIC. There is a classes cognitiveclasses.ai. Search for it. See the second option. So you can see there is a courses, learning paths, register, badges, sign in, Python for data science. So go for it here. If you're not registered, you should first register. See, there's an option for register. You can add your names or etc. and create an account. It's very easy. Okay, so after that, after you register, it doesn't ask many questions. It's called full name, Gmail, email, password, and I agree to your cognitive classes. Then you have to sign in. See, I already have account, so I'm signing in. As a sign in, see the first interface is learning leading edge technologies, blockchain, data science, AI, cloud serviceless, Docker, Kubernetes, and more. Kubernetes in the recent term is very important for data science. So hope you learn that. So you should click the start learning or you can search here. See, there's a big data fundamentals, a data science fundamental, containment KBs, and ISTO of IBM Cloud, blockchain, data science with Python, and a reactive architecture. If you click here, start learning. See, there are very variety of courses out there. There's data visualization with Python, Hadoop, data analysis Python, machine learning Python, introduction to data science. I'll suggest you to do this the introduction to data science first to get through what is data science. If you understand what is data science, you'll do many courses. So click the courses. As I told you, there are multiple courses available on this website cognitiveclasses.ai. So I'll tell you how to start. So first go to Introduction to Data Science in the featured courses. Go to class. See, there are syllabuses given like module 1 defining data sets, what to do, science people do, data science people do, data science in business use cases for data science. A multiple thing, it's of 3 hours, self-paced, and you can do any time. It's for beginner, language is English. So Google Classes and start the course. If you complete this course, you'll get definitely a certificate. See, it's telling you what is IBM Developer Skill Network is the course from. So I'll not watch the whole video. So there's another thing you can do is to earn badges. You see, there's an option called badges. It's a data science tool. You can do containers, K8, that is Kubernetes, data ops methodology. There are different courses from which you can earn the badge. by earning different badges, you can earn a professional certificate as well. There's an option. So I'll tell you that later. So you can do this. So I'll open one badge that is data science tools. Okay. So you can learn many things. Why earn the badges? There is a reason also given why to earn badges. Okay. So you can see there are different syllabus as well. You can learn whatever you like to learn. Okay. Enroll. You can start the course from here. Okay. So for now, you can learn many things for free. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.